That dreaded 404 not found error in Dropbox can feel like hitting a dead end when you need your files most. But don't worry, we're about to get you back on track. The first step to fixing this common Dropbox headache is understanding why it's happening most often. It's a simple case of the file or folder you're trying to access having been accidentally moved, renamed, or deleted. Let's start with the easiest fix. Head over to your Dropbox account via your web browser. Navigate through your folders as if you were looking for the missing file directly. Sometimes the file is just in a different spot than you remember. See, if you find it here and it opens correctly, the issue might have been with a specific link or your desktop client, not the file itself. If it's not there, don't panic. Next, let's check the deleted files section. Dropbox keeps deleted files for a period, acting as a built-in safety net. Click on Deleted Files. In your left-hand menu, you might be surprised to find your lost file waiting for you. If you find it, simply click the Restore button next to it. Dropbox will then return it to its original location or prompt you to choose a new one. Easy as that. If your files aren't deleted and you're still getting the error, it's time to look at your Dropbox desktop application. Right-click the Dropbox icon in your system tray and select Preferences. Go to the Account tab and choose Unlink this computer. This will disconnect your computer from your Dropbox, but your files are safe in the cloud. You'll then be prompted to sign back in and relink your computer, which often resolves synchronization issues causing 404 errors. After you sign back in, Dropbox will resync your files. Give it a little time, especially if you have a lot of data. Once the sync is complete, try accessing your files again. And there you have it. By checking your web interface, your deleted files bin, and potentially relinking your desktop app, you can effectively banish that frustrating Dropbox 404 error and get back to your important data.